A pileated woodpecker native to North America is a captivating bird known for its distinctive appearance and behavior. With a wingspan of up to 30 inches, it's one of the largest woodpecker species. Their striking red crest and loud, distinctive calls make them easy to spot and hear in the forest. Pileated woodpeckers excavate large rectangular holes in trees while searching for insects, leaving behind signature rectangular holes. These skilled carpenters are crucial for forest ecosystems, controlling insect populations and creating homes for other wildlife.